and welcome back to Bear Food Kitchen. My name is Tina Bear, and today we are celebrating the month of March with Bearish Irish Cream. So you buy Irish cream in the market. I have the best recipe. You can make it at home anytime you want. Look in your pantry. I bet you have everything I already have right here. The first thing you do, so super easy, is you take 1 can sweetened condensed milk and pour it in the blender. Scoop all that creaminess in there. Delish. Then you have 1 cup heavy cream. You could use whipping cream. Make sure it's ice cold. And then you're going to use 2 tablespoons liquid chocolate syrup. So you could get this in any market. Pour it in there, all this goodness. I bet you didn't know what was in your Irish cream that you were drinking. Also, we have 1 tablespoon granulated instant coffee. Use your favorite coffee. You could use all the brand names if you want. I have my favorite. We have 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, 1 teaspoon almond extract. Bet you didn't know that was in there. And Irish whiskey. Celebrating the month of March, celebrating the Irish. I am using about 1 1/4 cup Irish whiskey. You could use between a 1 cup, 1 3/4, whatever you prefer. Just pour it in. It smells so good. And then you just go ahead and put the lid on, and it's right here. Don't want to make a mess. Put it on this way. And just mix it up. Yum. I would say about 30 seconds. That's it. Then you're going to take it. You can pour it over a glass of ice. You could pour it in your coffee. You can make drinks out of it. Let's see. It smells amazing. Tastes amazing. I recommend you make this. You don't need to buy it anymore. Just look in your pantry and you can make this yourself. If you like this recipe, go ahead and subscribe, like, and comment. Thank you for joining Bear Food Kitchen. Can't wait to see you next time.